Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can verify your eldorado.gg ID. So to verify, they will ask three of these documents, which is government issue photo ID, a selfie with your ID, and a photo of your credit or debit card. So let's go with verifying the ID. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to submit a scan or photo of your ID for verification, which has to be government issued. So you'll have to make sure the ID has your photo, and what you'll have to do is you'll simply have to scan it or take a picture of it and submit it. After that, you'll have to verify your ID selfie. So the ID that you've submitted here or scanned, so you'll have to take a selfie of that person. If you are that person, you'll have to take a selfie. So you'll have to face the camera directly and make sure your face is visible, and then you'll have to hold your ID with the photo visible as well. So in the selfie itself, you'll have to have the ID as well beside your face, and you'll have to take the selfie and submit for verification. After that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to verify your credit or debit card for payment. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to take a photo of front of your credit or debit card, but you can as you can see in the picture, you can hide all of your digits and only show the last 4 digits of the card, and also you'll have to show your bank name of the bank. It has to be visible as well. So you'll have to show the last 4 digit of the card and the bank name, and the other you can simply hide with your hand or anything else. So if you submit all these documents, you will be able to verify your eldorado.gg order. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.